In this video, you'll learn how to invite friends on Bitget. This process allows you to share your referral link and earn rewards for inviting others to the platform. Start by navigating to the Bitget Exchange website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Bitget URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of the Bitget platform, which features various trading options and resources. Next, locate and click on the section labeled Beyond Crypto. This option is typically found on the home page and may be highlighted to draw your attention. After selecting this, the page will display additional features related to cryptocurrency trading and investment. After that, look for the More option within the Beyond Crypto section. Clicking this will expand further options, giving you access to a variety of tools and features offered by Bitget. Ensure this section loads completely before proceeding to the next step. Once this appears, click on Referral. This section is dedicated to the referral program and will provide you with details about inviting friends and the rewards associated with it. A new page will load with information about becoming a referral partner. Following this, you should see a message that encourages you to become a premier inviter. This section outlines the benefits of inviting friends, including potential earnings. Take a moment to read through this information before moving on. Next, you will notice another message indicating that you can enjoy a 25% rebate. This rebate applies to your earnings from referring others. Confirm that this message appears to ensure you are aware of the benefits of the referral program. Now click on Invitation Activities. This option will direct you to a page where you can view all available referral activities and promotions. Be patient as the new page loads, as it may take a moment to display the relevant information. After this, select Referral Program. This section will provide you with specific details about the referral program and the reward structure. Review the information carefully to understand how to maximize your referrals. You will encounter a message inviting you to refer one friend to receive $60 in BTC airdrops and mystery boxes valued at up to 1,500 USDT. This offer provides you with a clear incentive to start inviting friends. Next, observe a message stating that by inviting friends, both you and your friend can earn $60 in BTC airdrops and mystery boxes worth 1,500 USDT each. This mutual benefit is an attractive feature of the program. Following this, look for a message that guides you on how to invite friends. This section will provide detailed instructions on the process, ensuring that you understand how to proceed effectively. Now, click on Referral Code. This option will allow you to access your unique referral code, which is essential for tracking your invitations. Ensure that this page is fully loaded before continuing. Next, select the code labeled 2SRNDRXH. This is your specific referral code that you will share with your friends. It is important to confirm that you are selecting the correct code. After that, click on Referral Link. This option will display your personalized referral link, which is how your friends will join through your invitation. Make sure to wait for the link to appear clearly on your screen. You will then need to click on the displayed link, which should read http://UTTTZSK. This is your direct invitation link. Verify that the link is correct before proceeding. Finally, click on Invite. This action will send your invitation to your friends using the referral link you just copied. Ensure that the invitation process completes and you receive a confirmation that your invitations have been sent. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.